Integral Transporte, Magnament Technologies, Family Member Presentation, Video Trains, Claudia Patricia Gil Castillo Blanco, Instructor Carol Char, Level 2 English, Cena 2025. In this fact, I am showing you my family, which is made up of many parts, and me it can sit myself in the post because I know I'm taking in the war in the part of the municipality where I lie of the municipal in Ber Fritz Ludwig is called Samaka. My family is since at Samaka. My family is small since I don't have brothers, but we live very happily. All around under Christmas decoration since that date will be celebrated. The day is sunny and the park is very colorful, although the ones that exam all the mobs are the red, the green, and the white. In the addition, there is a variety of figures and large Christmas tree, and the letters of the name of the municipal are so decorated based on the same celebration. My mom has why she is not working due to the health problems. In the past, she has a white and blue hat, a face mask, a skin-colored jet, black pants, and black tennis shoes, and these all fit. My dad works on the transmitter at the municipal station in Samarkand. He has a motorcycle which is coming daily in the pub in the wearing a black and white plaid shirt and a green jacket, a yellow vest, black pants, and the brown shoes, and he looks it there. He is very responsible, punctual, simply and broke streets loud. He is also very responsible, simple, and hurried person in the Dodge, but very often since he has danced a lot. It's thank you.